Hey guys, today, as a request from one of the viewers that asked about what CBC and WMA head stamps mean, so today we're going to talk about it. Okay, so here we have some different head stamps. First off, let's go into this WMA. So WMA stands for Winchester Military Ammunition. So it's the stuff that they're making for NATO and stuff like that. So the biggest difference about this brass is it's pretty much normal on the inside, but on the very end you'll see, and it's very difficult to tell, but I'll put up a better picture, that the primer is actually crimped in the case. So that means you have to ream it out. So when I get to a ream primer pocket for a 9mm case, I'll notice the primer won't go in, so I just pull it out, and then I grab, this is just an impact driver with a Phillips head, same thing I used to ream out my 223. Just run it in the back real quick, pull it out for about that long, and then you'll visually be able to see it's reamed down, and then I'll just go ahead and put it in the with the rest and reload it. Another thing is sometimes you'll run into brass that has kind of a Loctite on it. That's no big deal. I don't even do anything for it. I just reload it just like everything else. I actually don't have a CBC case. CBC, it's a Brazilian ammunition manufacturing company, and essentially what it is they not only crimp their primers simply because they reload a lot for NATO, or well, manufacture a lot for NATO, but they also, their wall on the inside, and this is not one of them, but their wall on the inside is not a uniform thickness. So a lot of reloaders have been reporting a lot of issues when reloading it. Around here, I don't run into any CBC brass. Just all the people who sell it or sell 9mm ammunition around here don't really carry that brand, so it's not something I have to worry about. But in your area, if they do, then it might be something that you have to worry about. Okay, this last one is an Extreme ST 9mm lure case. Now this looks like just every old piece of brass, but it's different because it's magnetic. So I have picked up over 15,000 9mm rounds at the range, and these 10 cases are the only magnetic cases that I have found. So it's essentially a steel case that's brass plated. I don't know how that works, or maybe they did something else to it, but it's steel and it's very deceiving. So this stuff sucks because it's not as good for reloading as regular brass. Let me know if you have seen this steel case stuff in the comments below, and if you've reloaded it, how it's turned out for you. Hey guys, if you've ever had any issues reloading military brass or dealing with the stupid primer pockets or any CBC brass, please put it in the comments below. Or if you've ran into that weird steel case stuff that looks like brass, freaking deceiving crap, put that in the comments below as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching.